Many Ashe family. This is Cosmic Shaman Ren. Namaste. I see you on the cosmic tapestry of truth and healing. You've been wanting to say a lot of things about your life, where you've come from, where you're at, and where you're about to go. So many things you have learned in life you want to express, but you're concerned about those around you, those that claim to be your friends, your associates, people that you look up to, even your family and close-knit friends. You're concerned how they might feel about you once you speak your truth. Know that it's okay to let out what you've been holding inside. It's a part of your nature. Let it live. Let it exist. Speak it into fruition. Speak it into existence, because it's a part of your nature. It's a part of who you are. That part of you that's been hidden away, locked away, is now ready to be unleashed to the planet. Mother Tita said, please, let's let out this atomic, ultimate, wonderful, effective voice that you have. Speak your peace to the world. Mother Tita is listening. You have her attention. Many Ashe, love and light to all living beings here on Tita. Peace.